the problem, Sophie? Sophie, what do you have in your mouth? Sophie, why can't you pick up your ball? Sophie, look at me. Oh, you have a tube. You've been very busy tearing up paper. And now you've got a tube. And so you can't pick up your ball? Get your ball. Get your ball. Sophie, get your ball. Put the tube down and get the ball. Come here, get your ball. There it is. Get the ball. Come on, get the ball. Where's the ball? Get your... Honey, you have to put the tube down to get your ball. Well, that's one way to do it. Get your ball. You gotta get the ball. Where's your ball? Sophie, where's the ball? There you go. Give me another ball. You want to give up your tube? You've already torn up a magazine this morning. Give me the ball. Where's the ball? Uh-oh. Now there's another ball. What are you going to do? A tube and two balls. Okay. I got the tube. Now you get the balls. Get the ball. And we prefer newsprint.